Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Google Veo 3 is Google's latest and most advanced AI video generation model capable of creating highly realistic and cinematic video clips with integrated audio directly from text to image prompts. The good news is that Google is making it increasingly accessible, including even on mobile devices. So here is how you can use Google Veo 3 on your phone to create stunning AI videos. The primary way to access Google Veo 3 on your phone is through the app, but you can also integrate it with other apps like Canva. And for this one, we shall do this using the Google Gemini app. So this is the most direct and integrated way. Availability of it is that Google is rolling out Veo 3 access to Gemini users with a Google AI Pro or higher, like Ultra subscription. This makes it available in all regions where the Gemini app operates. So if it's operating on your country, just take note that you have access to Google Veo 3. So this is what we need to do. We need to download the Gemini app. So if you don't have it already, download the Google Gemini app from your Google Play Store or App Store right in here. You'll need to subscribe to the Google AI Pro plan within the Gemini app or through your Google account. This offers a 30-day trial, which I'm going to use for this tutorial. So once subscribed, the Veo 3 features for video generation will typically appear as an option within the Gemini app's interface when you initiate a creative task. Look for options related to generate video or create video clip right here below, as you can see here. Now, start a conversation or prompt. Begin a new interaction with the Gemini. So let's craft your prompt. This is the most crucial step for stunning videos. Be as descriptive as possible. For visuals, describe the scene, characters, setting, actions, lighting, and many more. For instance, you can use cinematic. For camera angles, specify camera movements. For instance, dolly zoom, pan left, close up. Also, we need audio. This is where Veo 3 truly shines. You can instruct it to generate native audio, including dialogue, where you can use quotes for specific dialogue. For instance, character says, "Hello there." Also, sound effects is also available here. You can use sound effects like rustling or footsteps. You can also use background music like calm piano melody. You can also use ambient noise like forest ambience. So these are some of the examples of good prompts. A drone shot over a futuristic Tokyo City at night with the neon lights reflecting on wet streets during light rain, distant city sounds, and the hum of flying vehicles. That's nice. I have another one which I'm also going to use for our illustration today. A very cute alert meerkat stands on its hind legs in the middle of a dusty, sun-baked Kenyan savanna, looking directly at the camera with wide eyes. A dramatic, low rumble sound effect plays as it shifts its gaze slightly. It then says in a slightly exaggerated quick voice, "We kimeumana, Wakenya wananitumia vibaya bana." This means that things have escalated or it's a mess. Kenyans are using my face in a bad way. The background features distant acacia trees and a clear blue sky. It should be a cinematic close-up shot. You can just see this prompt here. And this is what we are going to test. Once you have a nice prompt, or once your prompt is ready, send it to Gemini. The AI will process it and generate your video clip. So it's just generating. And the duration is this. Typically, Veo 3 generates clips of around 8 seconds. For longer videos, you might need to generate multiple clips and stitch them together later. Also, processing time is also key. AI video generation is resource intensive, so it might take a few minutes to generate your video. So just be patient. Now, this is where we need to review and download our video. So just preview the generated video. If it's not exactly what you wanted, modify your prompt and try again. Small tweaks to wording can make a big difference. Once satisfied, you can download the video to your phone's gallery. Veo generated videos will often have a visible watermark unless you have an ultra subscription or are using certain enterprise versions like Flow.
Wakenya wananitumia vibaya bana.
Also, now these are some of the tips and tricks for stunning AI videos on your phone. Be specific and detailed in your prompt. Think like a film director. Also focus on core elements. Prioritize the main subject, action, and desired mood or style. Experiment with keywords. Try different alternatives or adjectives, cinematic terms like cinematic, and artistic styles like impressionistic. Also leverage audio. Don't forget to specify sound. This is a major advantage of VO3. Dialogue, sound effects, and music greatly enhance the realism and impact. Also, iterate and refine. AI generation is often an iterative process. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Tweak your prompts based on the initial results. Also, understand now the limitations here. For instance, for the length, videos are just typically short, around 8 seconds, as you can just confirm. For longer narratives, you'll need to generate multiple clips and edit them together. Also, consistency is key. While improving, maintaining perfect character or object consistency across multiple separate generations can still be a challenge in this AI. Also, text in video, AI models still struggle with accurately rendering text within the video frame itself. Also, be aware of the daily limits. There might be daily generation limits, especially on free trials or lower tier subscriptions. Post production is also key. Use mobile video editors here. Use apps like InShot, CapCut, or KineMaster to stitch clips, to add music or sound effects, to add captions or subtitles, add transitions and effects, and even reframe it to the size that you want. So by combining the power of Google Veo 3 with smart prompting and mobile editing, you can truly create impressive AI generated videos right from your phone. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.